Well, thank you very much. Thank you for coming out tonight and supporting live music. Nothing like it. Kind of a miserable night to be out, but we appreciate you coming out. I'm John Newby, and I play soprano sax, alto sax, tenor sax, and clarinet in this band here. When I was about 18 years old, I went to a pawn shop, found me an old saxophone, bought it, and brought it home, started practicing it, got me some chord charts, and kind of went from there with it. Music to me is, I guess I would call it a passion. I've always enjoyed it. Sometimes you play for money, a lot of times you don't. You play just because you love the music. I kind of had a void that's just like, you know, I really need to play music, but where am I going to play it at? There's no place to play at. So when this opened up and became available, wow, it was really a boom. The Music Hall has been open and performing for about 35 years. We have kind of evolved through the years to more standards and swing tunes and maybe a song or two that could be construed as bluegrass. Anybody who sees this, no matter what age, we encourage you to come out and see what this best kept secret of Hamilton County is. Place really filled a musical void in my life. Everything else is good in my life, but as far as being able to perform and play the music like I really wanted to, I just really feel blessed and fortunate this place came along. I'm going to give you some music to march you out the door, or you can stay around if you want for autographs, and we don't have the t-shirts yet.
Preview our TV show.
Yeah. We're doing this at F now?